Guru Gobind Singh Stadium, and just a while back, a good thing happened in Jalandhar. That is the Soch NGO. It has made a website, and the website has been designed and today got launched by the efforts of Udaydeep Sardana, who he's with us here, and he'll tell us how he did this. And he's a class 10 student in Doon School, and how he took out time for this cause.
Hi, my name is Uday Pratap Sardana and I'm studying in Doon School in grade 10 right now. And just today at 5:30 p.m. about an hour ago, I launched a website for Soch, and it was all crafted by me. And I've been working with Miss Anjali ma'am, who's the founder and president of the NGO. And we've been working on this from the past 7 months. The Soch NGO Society never had a formal place to get in touch and have contact with any collaborators. So she needed a formal form of invitation and connection. So she needed a website, and I asked if I could volunteer for a good cause with her. And with this NGO, it took me 7 months, but today was the final day where this website went live. And it's now accessible on Google, and people can finally look at the media, look and see and visualize on what this NGO does. Contact us by filling out a form on the website, and get in touch and volunteer with us to also become volunteers for many future events that we will be holding later on. And yeah.
So, how did you, come to this, and how were you already aware of how these websites are made? You learned it from somewhere?
So, when I was in grade 8, I decided to experiment with designing, because that's something I found my interest in. So, I initially started with InDesign in my own school, working for publications, sports publications, and everything. And then I decided that designing for publications is one part, but then making websites is also another step and another part of the umbrella term for designing. So coding is something that I'm currently learning, but I'm not fully fluent with it. But I still wanted to make this change, so I made this website all by myself. Yes.
You're a class 10 student, and it's a board class, and it's really tough sparing time for such activities. How did you find time for this?
So it took me 7 months to make this, and I started in early 2024. So even though this was a board class, I finished the majority of the work before October, and I had started around in March to develop this website. And the busier time for me for board exams came right now, post-October in school. So before this, majority of the work was done, and I found time off and on every single day, around half an hour a day I devoted to this, and I was able to complete this website efficiently.
Great going, and these days kids are usually busy with their own thing, and sparing out time for such noble causes is a rarity. Keep going, boy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
With us is Miss Anjali Dada from Soch NGO, who's the person behind this NGO, and she started off about 15 to 20 years back. You started this NGO?
2008, yes.
So how has this NGO been going, and why did you need this portal?
So my son has autism. He's now independent thanks to the training I received.
His name?
Dhananjay.
Okay.
So we decided that an NGO that can help other parents like us is what's needed. That's how we started Soch. And we believe that Soch hai to Shamta hai. Everyone has potential.
So how are you going to use this website?
This website is going to create awareness for people who need us to reach to us. And of course, we wish to take our cause further, create something permanent for our young people, and this website will be helpful in that. Then little things like this. It's a quiet flag off tomorrow for the first time in India. Any marathon has organized a quiet flag off. People need to know things like this can happen to make it a more inclusive and sensitive space. So we're very grateful to Uday for doing this, and we hope to achieve what we haven't so far with this.